Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel of daily tech news and reviews. The Japanese Sharp brand is not as popular as before in the smartphone field, but it has been the first to bring various features and design elements to the market that are now mainstream. Say, it was the first to use a water drop screen design, and today, this manufacturer uncovered its annual flagship dubbed the Sharp Aqous R6. The first thing that catches our eyes is that the Aqous R6 comes with the world's first 1-inch Leica-enabled main camera. It uses a 20-megapixel 1-inch main camera which supports an f1.9 aperture and a 19mm equivalent focal length. It can get a very large amount of light and can capture clear photos in dark places. In addition, there's also a time-of-flight camera for focusing. The front of the phone adopts a punch hole design. The hole hosts a 12-megapixel camera with f2.3 aperture. The Sharp Aqous R6 supports a 6.6-inch 1260 by 2730 OLED screen. The latter adopts a Pro Exo OLED panel, supports a native 120Hz refresh rate, an interpolated 240Hz refresh rate, and can automatically switch between 1Hz and 240Hz according to the content. In addition, it is worth mentioning, the Sharp Aqous R6 smartphone screen supports a 1 billion color display, 20 million by 1 contrast ratio, and the industry highest peak brightness of 2000 nit. Of course, it supports HDR content display. It also uses in-screen fingerprint technology and is the world's first smartphone to use Qualcomm's 3D Sonic Max fingerprint recognition solution. The fingerprint authentication area of 3D Sonic Max fingerprint technology is much larger than before. Apart from this, you can use 2 fingers at the same time to increase security. By the way, this sensor measures 20mm by 30mm with a sensing area of 600 square millimeters. It is only 0.5mm thick and does not take up much space. Further application of this ultrasonic fingerprint sensor includes the authentication of sensitive information applications such as banking and work mail. Other aspects of Sharp Aqous R6 smartphone are also in line with the flagship level. The phone is equipped with a Snapdragon 888 5G chip. It has 12GB of memory and 128GB of internal storage, as well as a large 5000 mAh battery. The phone weighs 207 grams only. The rest of the features include Wi-Fi 6 support and IP58 level waterproof and dustproof functions. The phone will be available in June, but the price information has not been disclosed yet. So what do you think, guys, of this new Sharp Aqous R6 flagship smartphone? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And if you somehow like what you see here, subscribe to the channel will definitely awesome. And as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.